Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to terminate active sessions on your Twitter account. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Security and Account Access. On this page, click on Apps and Sessions option. Click on Sessions. Here you can find your current active session and other logins on different devices. Below the session, you can see the location and time of login. If you find any session suspicious, click on that session and click Logout. That's it, you are logged out of that session. Similarly, you can log out of other suspicious sessions if you want. If you have multiple active sessions, you can use the link that says log out of all other active sessions. This is how you can terminate active sessions on your Twitter account. Thank you for watching.